Yeah, this is one of the viral problems like which have disturbed many people, and so many people have solved this set of problems and got something different. You see, so for this particular problem, and I believe we are coming to solve it both together, and we are going to have something reasonable. You see, but there are certain things we need to take note of, like the order in which these problems are solved must be respected. Because if you don't respect the order, definitely we're gonna have something but different. We have to respect the order. You see, the order here, we can use certain words like we can use BODMAS, which is mostly used, and we can as well use PEMDAS or BEDMAS. Those words are all the same. You see, so the order is very, very important in dealing with, because yeah, like we this problem, it's involved with powers, it's also involved with divisions, and it's also involved with multiplication, because a number and given with a bracket, there is a multiplication that separates between those numbers. An example, if you have a into b plus c, because this can as well be written as a times into b plus c. Yeah, so there is a multiplication sign between here, so it involves like multiplication, division, and as well as the powers or index or the exponents. So yeah, let's see the easiest way we are going to use to resolve this. Because, like, some of the words we need to take note of, let's consider and BODMAS, which is widely used, or we can consider BEDMAS, which is also used, and PEMDAS, you see, and BODMAS is widely used, like mostly in Africa, and BEDMAS for UK, and PEMDAS is widely used in USA. So it just depends, because BODMAS is common in Africa. You see. But either of these words can be used conveniently to solve this particular problem. We follow the order in which we can able to arrange this. Firstly, the B, and the P, they mean the same bracket, and parentheses. We first clear the parentheses or the brackets involved in any set of problems you come across. So for this set of problem, we clear the bracket first. We have a bracket here, and we also have another bracket here. So if we remove the bracket here, this is the index. This number is affecting this. We have to remove the brackets, and it remains the ordinary number. Here again, we try at all costs to remove the brackets. I think after we have removed the brackets, the next point, we move to the second words that follows. Here is O, E, and E. And basically, this O has been changed. Instead of O, it has become I, which you can call BEDMAS, because this I, it involves index. You see, and this index is the same as this E, which implies as simply simply the exponent, and this here again is same as the power or the index or the exponent. So we start with the power. So if we remove these three, this power here 3 is affecting this 1 upon 2. It simply means this fraction is repeatedly multiplied up to 3 times, which implied 1 raised to the power 3 divided by 3 and 2 raised to the power 3. So we have removed the bracket for this first set of number, and we rewrite the division sign. We write the division sign, move again, 3 squared into, if we remove this bracket, there's a bracket here again. It's going to be this 6 into this bracket can be written as 6 times 6, and we rewrite the division sign. 6 here again, the bracket to remove the 6 times 6. I think we follow the steps involved this one way. So move again, 1 raised to the power 3 is same as 1, and 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, divided by 3 squared into, here, anytime you have multiplication and division, you always use the word left, right. Left, right. You start the operation left towards right when you come across with multiplication and division. So this is just the basic point. You use you use the basic point. You move the operation from left and you move onwards to the right. So say 6 times 6 here is 36, and we write our division sign times 6. This is the process. We write this again, 1 upon 8 divided by 3 squared into, here again, the same thing, we move again from left to the right. 36 divided by 6 is 6 times 6, because this divided by this is 6, and we write this. This, our target is to remove the bracket. So we maintain this again, divided by 3 squared into 6 times 6 is 36. So this set of numbers has been broken down to 36. So if we move again, so if we move forward, after having this, we write 1 upon 8 divided by 3 squared times, if we remove brackets, because the sign between this 3 square and this 36 is multiplication sign, so it's going to be 36. This is what we have. You see? And we have done the first bracket, so the next point to move again to the O, which is I. This O can also be implied as I, the index. Here is simply the exponent, and the exponent, we consider the powers. Where we have powers, although here we have considered these powers because it is separate from those others. So we just resolute its power. And here we have this power, and this power again, 3 square, we can rewrite it as 9 times 36. Like I was saying, when you have division and multiplication, for you not to move to the right, to the wrong step, we always consider the operation from the left towards the right. So we consider this operation, this is going to be 1 upon 8 times, because this 9 is same as over 1 times 1 upon 9. Because for division, we change it to multiplication, reciprocate times 36. I think this will make sense. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 8 times 9 is 72 times 36. So 1 times 30, because this is same as over 1, which can be written as 36 over 72. Oversimplify 30 into 36 is 1, into 72 is 2. So the final answer for this is half. I think this is how we can able to simplify that. So in further, we have to follow the steps. We divide, we multiply. Here you can see division comes first before a multiplication. The second one, division comes first before a multiplication, while for PEMDAS, a multiplication comes first before the division. So the multiplication and division will be our target here. So in simple form, not to have any issue with multiplication and division, anytime you have problems or numbers, set of numbers involved with multiplication and division, always starts the order from left to right. Multiplication and division start the order from left to right, as we did here. We start the operation from left, we simplify the numbers until we move to the right until we have a final number. You see, here again we have division, here the multiplication comes first, we still start from left to right. Here the division comes first, we still start from left to right. So this is how we can take our time resoluting this. So this is the end. Thank you. Stay blessed.